Hi guys, and welcome to my 28-week pregnancy vlog. I'm actually at 28 weeks and 2 days. I change weeks every Saturday, but my husband had this weekend completely off from work, so I didn't vlog. I spent the whole weekend with him, just relaxing and chilling out and playing Animal Crossing. So, I did not vlog, so I'm starting the vlog a little late. I'll insert a bump shot here. I think she's starting to pop out more, at least in my opinion. I feel like I'm starting to look pregnant, even when I catch my reflection, like when I'm walking by something. I feel like I look pregnant. Maybe not 28 weeks pregnant, but I'm starting to feel like people that don't know me might be able to tell that I'm pregnant. If not, it just looks like I ate too many donuts. My symptoms are pretty much all the same. I still have really bad nasal issues. Sleep isn't great. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much the two biggest things that bother me right now is sleep, and my nose just is always bothering me and always keeping me awake. I did go ahead and pick up some iron because at my last appointment they told me that my iron was a little too low, which isn't surprising at all because I only eat poultry, and I've not really been eating it as much as I should. So I got this from Nature Made, and it's 65 milligrams, which is what they wanted me to take. I have a really hard time swallowing pills, and these are tiny, but even though they're tiny, I think I'm still gonna need to cut them in half to get them down because I have a really bad gag reflex. Other than that, I think that is going to be it as far as symptom updates and everything like that. I have bought more baby things, but they're coming in the mail and they're taking a long time to come because of this pandemic. I ordered them 2-3 weeks ago and they're still not here. They should be, I think I have 3 orders that should be here within the week, hopefully. So I'm going to just do a big old baby haul video, put it all together in one. But today, since my husband was off on Saturday, I have to do everything that I usually do on Saturday today. So I'm filming the vlog. I have to plan, I have to take photos for my Instagram. I need to clean just a few things. I want to organize some baby things, so I'll show you some of that because I'm very behind on organizing all of her stuff. And I also have one order to fill, which brings me to another thing. As a lot of you are probably aware, my shop has been very, very slow for the past 2-3 years. It's just not provided me the living that it used to. I used to make a living off of my Etsy shop, and I can't anymore because I would make next to nothing. But I just wanted to say a quick thank you to the few of you that have been placing orders during this time, even if they're just one item, really small orders. I really appreciate it. It really makes my day. I love filling your orders. I love making products for you guys. So I just wanted to say a quick thank you to the few of you guys that are still purchasing. And I also wanted to let you guys know that my shop is still open and still running. I'm selling buttons, I'm selling wooden pins, and I'm selling stickers, and I still have a large inventory of my sticky notes that I launched 3 years ago. So if you're interested in checking out what I have available in my shop, it's always linked down below. I would really appreciate your support. It would just really mean the world to me, but don't feel pressure to buy anything. Even if you just looked at it, that's more than enough for me. At first, when I found out I couldn't be working, I was going to invest all of this time into my shop and trying to make something out of it during this time. I don't have the mental capacity, the emotional, physical energy to do it right now, so I'm just kind of letting it coast like I have been for the past couple of years. not pushing it too hard, and I creatively have not been at my best. I think I'm just too distracted with being pregnant, going through a pandemic, and Animal Crossing is taking up like all of my free time right now, so I just don't have the time or energy to focus on creating new products for my shop. But I'm getting very inspired by Animal Crossing. So if there are any Animal Crossing like stickers or buttons or pins that you would like to see come into my shop, let me know and I'll definitely try to see what I can make. But yeah, I think that that's enough rambling for now, and I'm gonna start tackling this to-do list with you guys. Alright, so here is my spread for the week. I really don't like it. I'm running out of stickers. I need to print and cut some more stickers for personal use because I'm running out, and so they're starting to like not match. Last week was way cuter and way better looking than this week. I also think that maybe the washi tape I used just didn't match anything I had either. These were both from the Target dollar spot a while back. But yeah, just not impressed. It still feels weird to be planning during this time because all I can plan is when I'm cleaning and doing laundry and playing Animal Crossing and picking up groceries. So, still a bit weird, but that's the spread. I'm going to take some photos for Instagram, even though I'm probably not going to post them because I hate the spread. Alright, so now I'm gonna start organizing some baby things. As you all know, everything that we have for her is either in this crib or underneath. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of this junk out and I'm gonna start going through this armoire and trying to organize it better and make some space in here for some of her things. Probably won't be the finished product, but I just kind of want to get a start on it and get a feel for like how much room I have to work with. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Call this an epic fail. I did not realize I thought I would be able to condense a lot more of my books and my crafting supplies, and I was not able to really do that. So I really should have been more prepared and should have been more aware of the amount of stuff that I have. So I'm actually going to just stop, because I feel like if I get too into this, it's just gonna be a big old mess. I already have to redo these drawers completely. This was just a band-aid. This drawer, you guys saw me going through it. It's not gonna stay like that. That is a mess. I need to definitely organize it better or find another place for all this stuff. But I don't know what to do. I still have, like, these are going on the wall. This is just a box of swaddles, crib sheet. This is all decor. And then I filled this thing from Target with all of the diapers and wipe samples that I have so far. And then this is just her mattress pad. So I'm gonna stop now because I was not prepared for how difficult this was going to be. So I'll leave this for another day when I'm more prepared and have things to organize better. So yeah. And with that, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully in the next vlog I'll have a much more organized nursery space, and I'll also have this wall painted. This wall will be painted a light dusty pink color. My husband, my mom, and I are going to paint on Wednesday, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. Sorry it was kind of a mess. Thank you for watching. I hope we're all staying safe and healthy and having a wonderful week. Goodbye.